Good morning, YouTube. Kevin with Holy Grail BBQ. I just finished building an awesome addition to the backyard barbecue. Took me about 5 days off and on throughout the week after work. I think you're gonna love this. Come on back to the shop, let me show you how I did it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that project. As always, if you liked what you saw in this video, please hit that like button, and don't forget, subscribe and hit the little bell icon to make sure that you're notified every time I release a new video. Now get yourself out to your barbecue pit and grill something awesome.